On today's IRS tax update, we will take a look at the latest developments this tax season, including the next batch of tax refunds scheduled for release by the IRS. From there, we will take a look at those refund delays due to the PATH Act impacting many of our viewers, and potential refund release dates along with new developments for those needing to complete ID verification, and why the wait to receive that ID verification notice in the mail may be longer than originally anticipated. Now, with IRS tax processing ongoing, the next batch of direct deposit tax refunds has been released and will reach bank accounts by February 12th, as confirmed by the refund status results seen here. Do note that Where's My Refund status results may not always display the most up-to-date information even after a refund has been released by the IRS. So make sure you review your tax transcript to confirm your refund has in fact been released by locating the 846 code on your transcript. For those who are part of the February 7th batch and do not receive that refund by February 12th in their bank accounts, do contact the IRS to initiate a payment trace or fill out IRS Form 3911, as well as confirming if the right bank account information is listed on your tax return. With additional tax returns entering the system for processing, a significant amount will be impacted by automatic delays due to claims for the Earned Income Tax Credit and or Advanced Child Tax Credit. If you're impacted by this, you will encounter refund status results similar to what is seen here, indicating your refund is on hold due to the PATH Act until mid to late February. The only way those claiming either credit could possibly see a refund before that time is if they opted to receive a refund advance from their tax preparer, as the IRS system will not release any refunds ahead of mid-February. The IRS continues to advise impacted taxpayers that they should see an update to Where's My Refund status results by February 17th, and the first refunds should be released by the end of the month. Some viewers who were early filers claiming the Earned Income Tax Credit have reported updates to their tax transcripts as seen here, indicating they are now showing a processing date of February 19th. Now that is the date the IRS computer system automatically assigns the tax return for completion and is subject to change. However, based on previous years, that is the date we are expecting some of those impacted refunds claiming the Earned Income Tax Credit and Advanced Child Tax Credit will be cleared for release. It should also be mentioned we did have some viewers who originally saw that February 19th date ended up reporting the processing date change to February 26th. So again, these dates are not definite, but an early indicator on when we will see the first batch of those refunds be released. Meanwhile, the wait continues for many who are being prompted to verify their identity so that processing of their tax returns can continue. As we have previously reported, this has been an ongoing issue since the beginning of tax season, and reports on those being impacted by this are significantly up from even a year ago. Now, the only way to successfully complete ID verification is receiving that notice from the IRS in the mail, such as the 5071C letter as seen here. The letter will contain a unique control number which you will need to enter online to begin the process, and do make sure to have a valid photo ID and copy of your tax year 2023 return available. Now, as of this recording, no viewer who is expecting that ID verification notice has in fact received it, and at this point, IRS phone representatives have been informing callers that it may take up to 8 weeks from the start of the tax season on January 29th to receive the letter in the mail. It also is being reported that IRS representatives have not confirmed to any viewer that the letter was already sent out at this time. As a reminder to confirm a notice has been sent, please check your tax transcripts and locate the 971 code with a recent date next to it. Also, based on current IRS timeframes, allow up to 9 weeks after successfully completing ID verification to receive that tax refund. So at this point, there could be instances of delays of up to 2 months as a result of ID verification. If you are impacted by this, please let us know in the comments below, as well as if you have received your ID verification letter this year for tax year 2023 returns. For those of you still not showing your tax transcripts available, we did see another update overnight, and some viewers who were early filers are now showing the option to select their tax year 2023 transcript as seen here. As a reminder, transcripts are only updated once a day between the hours of midnight and 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time during the weekdays, so you will not see any updates later in the day or on the weekend. Updates will depend on the last 2 digits of your tax transcript cycle code. However, the most significant update occurs on Friday mornings with those having cycle codes ending in 05. As a reminder, another notice to be on the lookout for is the 60-day notice, also known as Letter 2644CE, as seen here, indicating the IRS needs an additional 60 days to process the tax return, oftentimes indicating they are waiting for your tax information to be available on their computer system. It is common for taxpayers to receive multiple notices as they wait for their refund to be cleared. And the major cause of this notice is that the IRS still needs to process your employer's wage information so that they can match it to your tax return for accuracy. Generally, there is no way to fast-track this, but it is advised you check your earnings and income transcript on the IRS website, which is a different transcript than you check for your tax status. This particular transcript will indicate what the IRS has received as reported income from employers, former employers, and other issuers of 1099 forms. If you are not seeing your W-2 income, it is also advised you check your earnings record by logging into your Social Security account online. Let us know in the comments section below about your ongoing tax issue. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on the thumbs up and subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.